What's up, guys? Will H, and today I'm going to be unboxing the GoPro Hero 13 Black. Now, this is the accessory bundle, and I picked this up from Best Buy. I had the DJI Action 5 Pro for a while. I had never tried a GoPro. I've never had a GoPro, so you know what I said? I'm going to give GoPro a try. There was nothing wrong with the DJI, but I saw this bundle. It was right around the same price I paid for the DJI. So I said I'm going to try the GoPro out. So this is it right here. You see the name and the picture right here. Optional series lenses that you can get. ND filters, ultra wide, macro, and anamorphic lens. Here's some of the things that come in the box right here. There's some more of those lenses right there. Some kind of way they tore my box right here. It's never been open because I looked at it. There was no way it could have been open, but it was tore. Now this has app for Apple and Android. While your GoPro is charging, your shots auto upload to the cloud. Got features like that, and then this is some of the specs right here. So you get 5.3 at 5.3K at 60 frames per second, 4K at 120, 27.7K at 240. So you get 13 time burst shot slow mo at 720p 400 plus 8K at slow mo. Get HDR, HLG, HDR, lens mode auto detection, 27 megapixel photos. You get super photo plus HD plus raw photos, hyper view, 170 degree ultra wide FOV, time lapse with time warp 3.0, 10-bit color, which is great, night effects. Now I have seen videos where they say this one's not that great at night. GPS and waterproof at 33 feet. So those are a few of the specs. Now in the packaging, you're going to get 2 batteries. You're going to get a curved adhesive mount, 64 gigabyte card, the handler, and the case. So that is it. Let's go ahead and get into the package and check this out. So GoPro's been out a long time, and I just never pick one up. And like I said, I had the DJI. DJI was perfect, but I just decided to go with the GoPro. So it comes in this nice carrying case right here, which is nice. And here we are. So you get a lot of paperwork and stuff in here. I'm not going to take all this out, I don't guess, but I guess I will. You get, I'm glad I did. You get some instructions here. You must update before you can use. Here's my 64 gigabyte card right here, Extreme SanDisk. Subscribe to get the most out of your GoPro. You get some stickers, a lot of stuff here. So here's a product book here, and then you get all of your stuff in here. Here's a mount right here. You get your batteries, and these batteries are, I can't see what it is there, but there's your batteries. You guys may be able to make it out. That's your 2 batteries. You get, that's the GoPro there. And here you're gonna have some more mounts, look like it. Yeah, there's a sticky mount there. You get another mount, another sticky mount. Let's put this back in there. And you get your handler, they call it, the handle, right there. This doesn't extend, I don't assume. And under here, you get your screw mount there. You get your charging cable, Type C to Type C. And then the star of the show is the GoPro. here it is. Like I said, I've never had one of these before, so I'll take the stickers off. And I can't wait to get this out there and test it out. Let's get all that off there and check it out, see how good it is. But so here's the device. Very nice looking device here. The lens is removable. You got GoPro right there. I'm assuming this is a speaker right here. You got your power button, logo right there on the top. You got your start and stop button there. Here's your display. Got a little branding right there. What I like about this has a quarter 20 screw, and also you can connect it like this as well. Gives you an option there, and then over here, this is where your battery goes, your charging port, and I believe your micro SD card slot goes in here as well, if I'm not mistaken. But like I said, this is my first GoPro, so I'm gonna have to learn it. But here it is. Looks nice. Small, compact. Lens can be replaced. I'm looking forward to getting some of those lenses. I don't think this is the touchscreen on this one is the front screen is touchscreen on it, but very nice, man. So unboxing of the GoPro Hero 13 Black, and you get a lot of accessories. Right now they have it on sale. I'll drop a link in the description as well. So catch you guys in the next video. Will H. I'm out.